Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. So, i-check natin to ang kanilang bagong segment ng All Out Sundays. Last time, ginawa na natin itong reaction video. And in fairness talaga, dito talaga napatunayan ko talaga na the versatility of what you call this, artist of GMA. Parang jack of all trades talaga sila. Kasi alam niyo si Buboy, hindi ko talaga inasahan na magaling pala talagang kumanta si Buboy. Sa totoo lang. And sa singing contest pala talaga si Buboy nag-umpisa. According dun sa comment section na nabasa ko. So, I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So, without further ado, let's start this. Si Hannah, si Bentong ba yun? Tama ba yun? Basta si Hannah, si Bentong, tsaka sino pa yung isa? Si June Rex ang kakanta dito. Crush ko pa naman si June. Ang gwapo ni June Rex, diba? Softer. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, one more try pala kakantahin niya. Hannah, sinasabi ko sa'yo, hindi ka na nga sumali sa Build Cup, tapos dapat huwag ka matalo dito, Hannah, ha? Ay, ano to? One more try. Okay.
Should we stay or should we say goodbye? Walk away.
Grabe talaga yung clarity ng boses niya. Oh.
To let our dreams just fly.
Totoo ba? Si Hannah talaga pag kumanta, yung tipong mapapatulala ka talaga. Yung tipong alam mo yung masaya naman yung buhay mo. Kakatapos ko lang kasi gawa ng reaction video, yung sex bomb. Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi sabi ko, ay, ganito ako dati talaga nang sumasayaw ako dati na nagtatago ako sa tatay ko. Tapos ngayon, tipong parang papaiyakin ka niya. Ayokong umiyak. Charis! Grabe yung clarity ng boses ni Hannah. Gusto ko maglaban sila ni Arbery. Si Arbery yung tawag ng tanghalan.
Only to part ways in the end. Tell me how we learn to love each other, and tell me why two people have to change. Was it pride that made us drift away?
Okay.
Hurting words we should not even say.
Oh my God.
Hold my hand and look straight in my eyes. If we can say goodbye.
Hindi ko narinig yung kantang to, ah. Ay, wow.
Then we'll one more try.
Ay, buong-buo. Buong-buo yung boses niya, Mi.
Hannah Priscilla,
Atake.
everybody! Grabe!
Sino ka doon? Sino ka doon? Diba? Next tayo. Ang galing talaga ng pagkakakanta. Magaling talaga si Hannah kumanta. Sa totoo lang. Magaling talaga siya. Okay, who's next?
Kayo, mas matindi ba to sa Grammys tsaka sa Awit Awards?
Totoo ba?
Dahil siya ang pinaka-successful na second placer ng isang singing contest sa
Saan?
subdivision ng Antipolo.
Ay, please.
Kaya niyo ba yun?
Wala
Na
akong
eventually
sino.
ay sumakses bilang
Gabi, last mo na yan, ha? Nangigigil ako sa'yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Betong Sumaya!
Oo, si Bentong. Si Bentong. Yun yung Survivor Philippine Celebrity Double. Concert artist of the Miss Museum. Betong pala. Betong Sumaya. Ano kakantahin niya?
I never dreamed, 'cause I always
Till I met you.
that dreaming was for kids,
Oh my God, ang ganda ng kanta niya.
a childish thing.
Hala,
And I
he
could
change.
swear
Ang ganda ng boses.
was just a game that children play, and no more than a game.
In fairness,
Till I met you, I never knew love was
naalala ko si Stephanie dito.
this feeling seems to grow every day.
Okay. Ang ganda talaga ng boses niya. Kaso nga lang parang kulang ang power, no? Kulang na yung power. Pero yung, ano niya, yung mga rips and runs niya, ang perfect. Eh! Bongga. Maiksi lang pala to. Anyways, ituloy natin to. May isa pa si Junrex. Patingnan natin. Maganda yung kanta niya. Eto na, si Junrex na. Go, Junrex. Tapos ang ending niya, maglalaban-laban sila, ganon.
Song, of course, kasama natin ang icon for this week, Miss Cool
Icon for-
Ledesma.
Okay.
At tapos na nga magpakitang gilas si Hana at si Betong. Pero ito
Who's
na,
next?
Ito na ang ating last celebrity contender. Singing, I Think I'm in Love.
Ay,
The Clash
taray.
2023 Grand Champion. Please welcome, John Rex.
John Rex, go. Okay.
Is this love?
Ay, I love this song.
Since I wanted you to always be by my side.
Ay, I love the song. Totoo ba?
Of my side. You are in my thoughts all day and night.
Wow.
Guess you are.
Mr. Don Romantic ko siya, no? Wait lang, ang ganda ng placement niya dun, eh. Hindi mo siya masino-sino.
Want you out of my side.
Okay, oh.
You are in my thoughts all day and night.
Hindi ascending, di ba? Yan yung sinasabi ko. Wow. Beautiful. Galingan mo yun, Jun Rex.
I'm in love, think I'm in love with you.
Hala, ang gwapo ni Jun Rex, no?
Every single day, every single night, every single moment.
Ang gwapo niya talaga.
I wanna spend them all with you. I think I'm in love, I think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do.
Nice! I love it! Bongga naman pala si John Rex. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today. But for me, feeling ko, ay, ang hirap. Feeling ko si Hana ang mananalo. Feeling ko lang, hindi ko na ito papatapusin. Pero malalaman nyo din niya kung sino nanalo. Pero feeling ko si Hana, between Hana and Jun Rex. Yun lang yun sa dalawang yun. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is Kaya Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!